I purchased all the featured wig styles with my own funds from Wig Studio One. Below the video, I will attach a link directly to each wig style. I'll also list the color, and you can go out and take a look at all the colors and pricing. If you decide to order, a lot of these may have a promotion for 30% off. Be sure to check all of that information below. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. What I'm wearing here is Estetica's Reeves in the color ROM 6240 RT4. I think this is an amazing little value of a wig. It's completely open cap, so there's no lace or monofilament. There's plenty of permatease on top to obscure wefting and give you some lift. That's why I think it's the perfect sort of glamorous style that you can do some really cute, sexy styling with it. So what I want to do, just use some simple clips here, okay? So this is always often so hard to do in the camera. But the basic idea here is I just want to take 2 rows of twists on either side. So if I pull some hair out right there at the front, just give it a light twist all the way back to just under the crown. And then I want to secure it with just a little jaw clip. Okay. And then I want to add a second row. Again, just a very, very loose twist and secure. Okay. And then I'm going to do that to the other side as well. You can use fancy clips, pull out little pieces here and there just to make it look loose and casual and sexy. So this reduces the volume a little bit on the sides and gives a little bit of interest in the back. You could put 3 rows. You could start it higher up. Just use this for inspiration. You can do a similar thing right up front. So one thing you want to remember is this. Don't pull it tight, okay? Everything is just a loose hold with soft hands, okay? So instead of pulling it back and putting a clip in, that's not very attractive, right? You have to give it some support, not too structured, just loose and soft. And then before you clip it, just pull up on it a little bit to give it some support. And then work around it to bring out the curl. One of my favorite ways to wear Reeves is in a half down, half up, messy updo. I love that. I think it's so sexy, so simple, and it just fits my personality. So what we're gonna do to achieve that is I have a medium-sized jaw clip there. I'm just gonna attach it there to the camera handle until I need it. All right, so what you wanna do here is take some hair pieces, same thing we did, but just one, lightly twist all the way around. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side, okay? Now I'm using just my hands here. And then I am going to crisscross the back. I'm going to grab my jaw clip and I'm going to push up on this and clip at the bottom of that twist. Now you can put as little or as much hair up in that as you want. That's just a nice moderate amount. It's not too much, but it gives a lot of cute interest from the front and back. But if you want a more obvious updo, you could use a little more hair. Okay, so pull it back, give it one little twist. Not too tight. And then clip it at the bottom of that twist. You can pull out little pieces here and there just for that messy look. You can also add more clips right in the middle here. So let's go ahead and pull out even more hair back. Give it one twist, secure at the bottom of that twist. Simple, has a sexy appeal to it. I wear my longer wigs like this quite often. So those are just some really simple fall styling options for maybe a longer piece, and especially ones with a little bit of curl. So this has been Reeves in ROM 6240 RT4. Just has all of the ingredients for the perfect fall style with some simple, sexy styling. So here's another Estetica style. I really didn't plan it that way, but this one is perfect. Perfect fall style. It's got some glamour and some sex appeal to it. It's always lovely when the weather starts to turn and the sweaters come out. You can cozy up in a longer style. And this is the Petite Sedona in R1226 CHM. If I haven't already posted, I will be posting a full review of this style. But as I said, Estetica makes some glamorous, very sexy styles that are very appealing and flattering. So this is a longer one. If you like orchid, you're going to love the Petite Sedona. I am more of a petite average circumference, and I still had to cinch this in as far as it could go because their caps do run a little large. Even their petite is more average than it is petite. So there's a lot of styling that we can do for Petite Sedona. We can do everything that we did for Reeves on Sedona. It would look beautiful. Exposing that lace front, I think, would be a must on this one. Reeves did not have a lace front, but again, if you just want to pull the hair back, you can just do anything from there. Okay, so I like pulling it back just below the crown, grasping it at the base of that little ponytail that it's going to make, and insert what I call an infinity clip. I have these in my Amazon store. They're two for, I don't know, $14 or something. It's very affordable. So you just insert this. It holds the hair beautifully. And the rest of the hair and waves just fall away around it. So what you can also do is just use a pressure clip to get like a higher ponytail effect in the back. And I think styling with your favorite square bands designs are just perfect for the season. This is in the Tortoise Shell, the square bands, and they come in so many different styles and colors. You're bound to find something for the season, exactly what you want. I always love using them to expose a lace front and just give a little bit of glam to a style. So you can prop up the hair behind it and then pull out little sections in the front. It props it up, it makes it big and fun for some fall styling. Now, while you have it up in that square bands, you can always then come back and do a ponytail with it. And I think that is super cute. I love all the little tendrils around the face. And then don't forget that you can just do a little twist or braid at the front. Just something cute to add some interest and expose again that lace front. You could do that actually on both sides if you wanted. And then of course, a low messy bun is always a big hit with a style like this. And it's just basically a twist, and you could go a little tighter to make it into more of a bun. You can pull out little tendrils around just to give it that messier look. So give it a twist. And keep twisting it. Go at the bottom to one of the sides. So low at the nape. Okay, and then go in with your jaw clip at the base of the twist and go through some wefting in the back if it's a wefted style. That'll give it a little extra hold and security. Cute. The messier, the better. And it looks adorable with a little stocking cap or something. This is one of my favorite spicy colors of all time. And this is the Main Attraction Seduction in the color Nutmeg. Nutmeg has so much going on. There's a little bit of auburns in there, just a kiss of auburn on some brown and then some honey blondes. Absolutely beautiful. So Seduction just features a lace front and then is open top, sides, and back. Very affordable style, this one is, and it's really gorgeous. It's easy to get some nice contour at the front. Some great body to it. And one thing that I love to do with this one to style it is lots of tucks. This is perfect for ear tucking, it really is. You can secure it with a little bit of a clip there. Secure it behind your ear.